Hi guys, I'm Jasmine Diane and welcome to my channel. Today I'm trying the Cocochoco uh, by Bind Chocolate 1971. It has coconut and Kataifi. I found it on Marshall for $8 because the Dubai is going crazy and I love Dubai chocolate. I like to make it homemade, but anything with the phyllo dough is so delicious, and especially with coconut. And I love milk chocolate, and I'm so excited to try this. And I'm like curious if it's gonna be good. Well, let's find out. It comes like this. It's silver packaging. It's very small, but still very cute. I like this. I love the dry coconut, but I don't really taste much of the phyllo dough, just very little. But the coconut and the chocolate really goes together. But there is sort of a crunch, which is the phyllo dough, and it's so delicious. But all I taste is really mainly the chocolate and the coconut. But it's very delicious, and I would give this also a 7 out of 10. This is so good.